Okay, so we're going to show you how to take setbacks and apply radii. So here we have some setbacks that are in Pennsylvania. What we're going to do is we're going to export those, the KMZ file, which is Google's format. So we're exporting the setbacks. Then we're going to go over to QGIS, which is an open source platform. And we're going to go up to View, add a layer, add a vector layer. We're going to find our data set. And we're going to open that data set. Didn't work that time, so we're going to go back up and do the same thing. Find it, hit add. The polygons don't matter, so we're going to add the points because that's all we care about in this project. And then hit OK. And you can see all of the setbacks. So we're really focused on this area. This is the most important part. We're going to export this to a shapefile. And because of the way QGIS draws buffers, we have to switch this to a particular area of the US. And I'll go ahead and show you what buffers would look like if we didn't do this. If we just tried to draw buffers, it draws in degrees, as in longitude and latitude, and we want feet. So we're going to have to export this to a shapefile. We're going to click this globe button, and based on where you are, you'll need to select your region. So here, this is for Pennsylvania, so we'll go to Filter and type Pennsylvania, or you can see I've selected it here. And select a file name. And we'll save our shapefile. Next, we're going to draw buffers. So geoprocessing tools, buffers. Now we have feet, and we're going to draw 1,000 feet around. The segments is how many points are going to end up in your circle. I like to do 25. And then this last button is optional. Dissolve result means the radii will not overlap each other, and they'll draw one complete shapefile, but that's optional. And we'll hit close, and you can see the whole image as one. That's our big buffer. And the last step, we'll have to export this back into a KML file so Google Maps can read it. You can leave that. We need to save it as a name. And I already had this, so I'll have to resave it. Looks good, so we'll hit OK. And that was successful, so we'll head back over to Google Maps. We'll add another layer. And then we're going to import that layer. This took a while to load, so bear with me. We'll find that KML file, and we'll hit open. You can see our radii are drawn. We're going to change up the colors. You can see it's created as one complete file. So instead of individual, we'll make this uniform so it looks a little bit better. And then we'll just change the color. And that's how you draw radii with Google Maps.